How to create Esmart Tax Account. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about how can you create Esmart Tax Account. So first of all, you have to visit the official Esmart Tax website using your web browser. Type libertytax.com and hit enter. Then after, click on three horizontal lines at the top right corner and click on Start Your Taxes Online. From here, you have to select the option of File Online and then scroll down and you'll see three different plans. That is a $45.95 as basic, $65.95 as deluxe, and $85.95 as premium. The basic one is a simple tax situation, that is for single or married with no dependents. And the deluxe is for the people whose lifestyles are a bit complicated, like they have kids, they do investment, childcare, college, home ownership. And the premium is for the self-employed people, such as freelancer or contractor, or those who have other less common forms of income. I'm gonna go with the basic one, so click on Start Now option. Here, you will be directed to create an account, and if you already have an account, you can simply sign in by clicking on Sign In Now. If you don't, provide your personal information. You'll likely need to provide personal information such as your email address, and then you have to confirm your email address and your username and your password. Choose a username or a password that you'll use to log into your Esmart account. And after providing your email address, Esmart Tax may send you a verification email. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. And also click on I have read and agree to the service agreement and privacy policy and click on Create Account. After this, depending on your service, you may need to provide additional information such as your address, social security number, and other tax details relevant to your tax situation. Some tax preparation services offer different service plans with varying features and pricing. Choose the plan that best fits your needs if applicable. And make sure to review the terms of service and privacy policy and agree to them if you're comfortable. Once you've completed all the required steps, submit your information to create your Esmart Tax account. Once your account is created, you should be able to log in using the username and the password you created. From there, you can start preparing your tax online. Keep in mind that the exact steps may vary slightly depending on the updates or the changes made to the Esmart Tax website or registration process. Always refer to the latest instructions provided on the official website for more accurate guidance. So this is basically on how can you create Esmart Tax account for the tax year 2024. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.